Hey Bharath, so uh, please tell me a bit about where are you from in India, which uh, which
Yeah.
city are you right now in, which country you are in, what are you doing, what are you pursuing?
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So as I said, I'm in the UK now, and I'm based out of Tirupati in India,
Oh, great.
and I'm here doing my masters in data analytics in the University of Sheffield,
Great.
and I'm living near to the Cardiff. It's
Near
a
to
city in
Cardiff.
the UK. Yeah.
Okay. So how's the
Yeah.
area like? How's the weather?
Well, it's fine now because winter is coming now, so I can't say it's better now. It was better a couple of weeks back. Now it's a bit chilly now. Yeah.
Yeah, because I spoke to somebody else also yesterday, and in their area in UK, it was already freezing.
Okay. Yeah, this winter is starting now, so heaters on, jumpers on, everything.
Great.
Yeah.
So, how did you get there to this university? How was the process? How did you get the admission? If you could share a bit on that.
Well, to be frank, I was looking for London universities back then, 2 years back. And I thought this university has a better, like, affordable prices for the tuition fee. And I thought it was the curriculum, like the course we have, has a bit of data and mixed with business things. So I thought it's a better try for me, and even the price is being affordable to me. So I thought that's a better university, and moreover, people have been good reviews as well there. So yeah, give a shot with that. So it seems to be good now, not bad.
So how did this idea of studying abroad come to you?
Well, to be frank, I have a career in civil engineering. I had a career, so I thought I need a shift because I was interested with Excel, and I worked as a qualitative and quantitative engineer there. So Excel is my only thing, and with the Excel, I have my interest in analytics. So I preferred data analytics could be a good try to my career in a shift start to software thing. So yeah, so that's why I decided to do my masters here, so that I have a little edge. I have a good lead as well, so I thought doing masters is a better option.
How are you managing your accommodation? Like what kind of
Well,
accommodation?
it's fine. It's perfect because it's been 2 years now, so everything got fine, smooth, perfect now.
What kind of accommodation are you living in? Like it's a flat or a hostel? Like what is
No, it's my own house now here. That's when I'm paying rent for it, of course.
So it's like a studio apartment or a 1 BHK or what?
No, it's a 2 BHK,
Okay.
and I live with one of my friends as well.
So how much would be the rent for a 2 BHK there?
It depends on the place to play because see, if you're living in the London or could be a city, it's a bit pricey, and if you're moving a bit out of the cities, it is a decent price. We can afford it. So I'm paying around 1,000 now, 1,000 pounds, close to 1 lakh in India.
Both of you together, like you are paying 1,000.
Yeah.
And how much would be utilities like electricity, internet, and all that?
Could be like around 300 mostly. Because it's in summer, we don't use much, but in winters we need to put the heaters on, so it's a bit pricier.
Okay, so 300 for that, and how much for foods and travel, food? Like what would be your monthly expense like?
Monthly expenses could be like around 400, 500, yeah, altogether, including the bills.
So for two people, 2,000, so 1,000 pounds per month is a normal expense there.
It's not a big one.
Okay, and how do you manage your transport to the university?
Well, I have moved now here because now my university has been running online, and I have only project doing, so that's fine. I can manage it through online, and maybe once a week, I guess there might be a session, or else it will be online based on the tutor. So now it's fine for me.
So when there is a session, how do you go?
I'm sorry.
Whenever there is a session, like when you have to go to the university, how do you go there?
Yeah, I'll go by my car.
Okay, you have secured a car for
Yeah.
yourself and all.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So how is owning a car for a student there? Like, how feasible it
Don't
is?
ask me now. Don't ask me now because I have a terrible experience. I've got ended using 3 cars and it's got a bit pricey experience. So yeah, it's fine for others, but for me it's a better experience. Yeah, so don't ask me now.
Insurance and all must also be very high, right?
Yeah, it depends. See, if you're a new driver or new means like new license holder, or if you're using it with some foreign license, it might be a pricier one. Or if you have, like, obviously you will be the new here, so it is a bit pricey, around 70-80 pounds
Per month.
for month. Yeah,
Oh, that's a lot. So,
yeah.
how do you get fuel? Like in gallons or liters?
It's in gallons only.
So, how much for a gallon?
It could be around 130 or 140 pounds. Like, sorry, 1 pound 30 pence.
Oh, that's really cheap.
Yeah, that's comparatively the same for us as well.
Oh, great. Great,
Yeah.
great. So, how are you managing all these expenses? Have you taken an education loan or are you working or what?
No. It was being funded by father, fortunately, and I'm working here, so as a part-time, I can use my earnings, and yeah, that's pretty much better because we can work 20 hours per week and we'll be paid better. So yeah.
What is the hourly rate which the students are getting right now?
Yeah, it depends. See, if you are working with a good employer or maybe like a company, it'll be around 13 pounds is a minimum wage here. And if you are doing the night shifts or could be like some sort of a riskier jobs, they'll be paying around 15-16. So I mean, like, the riskier means the freezer zones will be there. So you'll be paying a bit more. And yeah, the 13 will be the average pay, yes.
Okay. How has been your experience with Niyo?
Sure. Well, to be frank, I have started using Niyo in 2022, prior to my arrival here in the UK. I can say the seamless conversions of the money is one biggest selling factor for Niyo, and I still believe that no company or no competitor has been focusing in that factor. And I suggested many of my guys, like the upcoming guys, I have asked them to go for Niyo first. Later you can have these bankings here when you arrive here. So yeah, pretty much the conversion rate is what I love it.
Yeah, you don't have to pay anything extra. That's the best part.
Yes.
So, how much did you spend using a Niyo card? Like, for example.
In the initial days, I'm not sure because it's bit 40-50 thousands here in my initial days here. And in home, I just used my card for, because it was a fancy thing there. The tap and pay was fancy thing at that time, 2 years back. And yeah, I used in the future.
Chalo, nice talking to you. We'll talk again in some time.
Same here.